Yo, what's up YouTube? I'm here with a video about how I almost got in a wreck. So it's pretty much a demonstration of how good the advanced braking system is. I'm pretty sure in my old vehicle this would have been a wreck. But yeah, anyway, here's the video.
Yo! What the?
So as you can see, I came within inches of actually hitting some kid or some lady, I don't even know. They pulled out in front of me pretty quickly. The speed limit on that road is 35 miles an hour, and you know damn well I was going a little over. So I was going about 38 to 40 miles an hour, and I had to hit my brakes pretty quick there. It swerved me off to the side a little bit too when I hit him that quick, so that kind of scared me a little bit, but it was able to keep me inside the lane for the most part. They stopped pretty quick, man, right on a dime, as they say. Avoided a collision. It definitely would have been their fault or whatever. It would have been a pretty expensive event for them if the braking system had been a little less than what it was, because I'm not sure the video does it justice how close I was to actually hitting this person. There you have it. Unfortunately, I was lucky enough to witness firsthand how good the braking system is on this vehicle. So if you're one of those dads worried about that kind of thing, then now you have a little bit of a proof that it actually could save your kid's life, for real. Because I think if I had hit that person, they probably would not have been walking right for a while, at least. I'm not sure I would have killed them, but like I said, I was going 40, so who knows what would have happened. Anyway, that's all I got for you today. If you have any questions or comments about it, go ahead and leave them, and I'll gladly answer them when I can get to them.